Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Solana. Your daily update, of course. There's well, so far, I mean, Solana. It's also, I mean, I have to update it daily, all right? Because right now, Solana is one of the strongest cryptos, together with Avalanche, together with Celestia, together with Synthetics. It is just very, very strong, all right? That is, the current situation for Solana. And that was also to be expected. I mean, if you watched my videos yesterday, I also told you that I did expect the main support levels for Solana between $67 and $64 to hold. Now, that has been the case. That doesn't necessarily mean that we will not see some more bearish momentum. I mean, like I said, it's also possible we'll still drop down to $64 from here. But just in general, I mean, the main thing is that, yeah, like I said, I mean, there are just cryptos right now that are very strong. And for Solana specifically, I don't see any reason why the Sol coin would drop down here. All right, it has some, like most coins that are falling down rapidly right now, have some sort of a relation to Bitcoin, or at least are correlated to Bitcoin in a very, like very much, right? But Solana has a lot of things going on its own, all right? If you look at this, for example, the total value locked, it's still super high. We had a bit of a drop, I believe. Let me actually zoom in a bit. No, total value locked is still very high, around 900 million right here. Daily active address is still great. Decentralized exchange volume, super great. So the value of the Sol coin is vested in other things that are still very high. Now, I'm not saying, I mean, right now, the market is far from strong, all right? Bitcoin is finding resistance at the 382 fib, and it's, well, I'm actually expected for more bearish momentum from Bitcoin. But, so I don't necessarily expect huge moves from Solana in the short term. The open interest, if we look at that, if I can look at that, I mean, it's not really working anymore sometimes via this website, or at least via the old websites, but let me look it up here. If you look at the open interest, that has gone up, but in my eyes, we really have to wait for some sort of a bullish breakout, preferably above $75 even, all right? If Solana breaks above $75, I mean, then that's bullish, all right? That's a huge bullish breakout. And then I expect $86 and $88 pretty quickly. That's my next price target. We talked about that before as well. So I still do expect that. I still do expect Solana to eventually break above $75 and to rally up to $86 and $88. All right, just to clarify that. But at this moment, I think it's a bit more likely that Solana consolidates. All right, so maybe goes up to $72, $74. But that it ultimately finds some sort of a consolidation, maybe still spikes down to $64. That's a possibility. But consolidate and then follow this trend line up to eventually break above $75 and to rally. That's what I expect. I would be surprised if something like this does not happen. There is a chance, like if Bitcoin really drops down to below 40,000, so to 39,000 or 38,000, then there is a chance that Solana follows. Like if it's like a flush, like we had on Monday night, if it's like a flush, then there's a chance that Solana drops down all the way to like 60 and below 60. But even from there, I would expect it to very rapidly recover back up to back above $64, and then to still respect the technical structure. So yeah, that's everything I wanted to say, I think. So if you still do have any questions or anything, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, I want to thank you all for watching and listening. Don't forget to check out the links down below to Bybit. That's my official partner. If you sign up with Bybit right now, they are by far the best exchange. Perhaps only Binance is better. But they are one of the best exchanges to trade Solana, and you can trade way more cryptos on there with better funding fees, for example. Great exchange to use. Sign up with them. Links will be down in the description. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.